This week, it's like the other weeks, you start with the key points, and there is a video that goes with those. The video specifically walks you through all of the coding exercises, in addition to explaining all the concepts. So a lot of students do find it useful to watch those videos. Then the Code Easy assignment, you will have 3 exercises that you need to complete. Those are the only 3 that you have to complete and turn in. Some students have had some issues with a couple of them in the past, so I have a helpful hint sheet. So I am giving you an algorithm. So this is like English-like statements that you then convert over into code. So obviously input count is not a C# command, but when we say to input the count, that implies using a console.readline. Okay, and then if we say declare an input character, that would mean that you're going to use the char data type, okay, and create a variable. Okay, and then here's one line output, the helpful hint. So hopefully you guys will also find this one helpful, especially because if you read a character from the input queue, the new line, the enter mark remains there. So you have to get rid of it if you're going to read another character. Okay, so hopefully you guys will find that helpful. And then remember to take those screenshots, submit them to the Dropbox. Oops, we've got to put them in the right Dropbox. That would be here. And then you're going to do the lab assignment. And the lab assignment, there's a video that'll walk you through. And there's a couple of examples that you should review before you try the exercise, because things you're being asked to do in the exercise are similar to the examples. Okay, exercise 2 is just modifying the first program. And then the third exercise, you're going to create a new program. And so this is similar to the last example in the key points. And again, if you have any problems with any of the programs, whether it be Code Easy or your assignment, copy the code, all of the code, paste it into an email and send it to me. Then I will copy it and paste it into Visual Studio, and I can figure out what the problem is. And if the problem requires more than a sentence or two to fix it, I will just do a little video and send it to you, show you how to fix it. Okay, once you're done, make sure you copy and paste the code out of Visual Studio and put it into the Dropbox. We do have a discussion exercise this week. Make sure you complete this, because discussion exercises are typically worth quite a few points and they are not hard to do. So for this one, go in, post the name of an application you believe is well made and that you enjoy using. Then explain what features make the application easy to work with and why you like it. Okay, so I'm going to put an example out here for you. And I'm going to copy the first 2 things because this is what you have to, put in your discussion. So I think the one that I've actually enjoyed using the most lately is a weather app. And it's not free, but it doesn't cost a whole lot of money. So I'm going to pause while I put this in here. All right, so here's my post. And I think I'll probably just call it apps I like. Oops, and just like, okay, so I'm going to go ahead and post this. And so what I did was I posted the one I liked and the one I didn't like, explained why I liked my Radar Pro and why I no longer like or use Google Maps. And you need to do something similar. You will also need to read your classmates' postings and reply to 2 of them. So if you complete this early, feel free to go ahead and reply to mine. Okay, and then you'll need to come back and remember to reply to another classmate as well. So that is the last thing you need to do in this lesson. And again, I did put some additional resources down here for you in case there is anything from the lesson that you need more information on. If you are confused about anything, please ask for help because I am here to help you and have an awesome week.